Hi, who thinks I can edit this in one day? This is part 2 of our rotating carousel nativity. Prepare to be dazzled. So let's review. We're making a double layer Christmas nativity carousel that rotates. It took a lot of takes to say that. Kind of in the style of Moorish architecture. In our last video, we were able to complete the first level. This week, we need to complete the structure, add the second level, add the new figures, the arch on top, and lighting. First up, we have to get these pillars on. And my first ideas of how to do that were schnoz cakes. So after a half hour of those really bad ideas, I finally had a good idea and I used some tin foil. It's gonna work? No, I don't know. This is how I'm propping it. A little bit of madness for a minute there. I don't know what happened here. That's probably a premonition that this isn't gonna work very well. Wrong! It did work, by golly. It's going. This is the top, it's turning. I'm going insane in my basement, so let's ride! Hi! I should be working. Nightmare! Oh, that's crazy. And after procrastinating through the entire Thanksgiving break, I'm back. At this point, the structure needed the arches in between the pillars. So I went in this direction, and 'twas a bad direction. Once I got the clay on, it just looked too bulky and too cheap. So even though I had to gift my firstborn child to Michael's Crafts because this clay is that expensive, I rolled it out thick and cut out the arches so it'd support itself. We're gonna use way more clay than we should. We got some Saja boys for good luck. Boop, boop. Ta-da! I know. Call me for sound effects anytime. 3 more.
And then I need to add some decoration on the, what's that called? Someone tell me what that's called. Pillar.
This is just a decorative piece to go on the pillar between the arches to give it a little razzle dazzle. And if you've ever questioned me, oh, I Lego. I Lego hard. Then we went to, 1 second. Tom Cruising this interview. Ah! Okay, I really thought that it was hard to get everything done in the Halloween season. I had no idea that doing it in the Thanksgiving and Christmas season was this hard. But a lot of things happened, so I'll just give you a little recap. My kids suckered me into an elf. He's weird. I never got a great video of it, but they both learned the Zoe takedown move. And that laundry took weeks to put away. We saw the aurora through the clouds. My brothers both got puppies. Seems weird. I shouldn't get a puppy. It's the season of giving. So, inconsiderate of them. The kids worked and saved up for a moped. The kids crashed on the moped.
It's bacon time!
Our community is super generous, so my girls earned up money selling cinnamon rolls and cookies so we could buy all that stuff to donate.
This is how I'm sending my kids to school.
And lastly, we went to the Christmas creche, where everyone in the land brings their nativity set to share. And you get to walk through and see all these different kinds of sets. It's pretty brilliant. Now, to be honest with you, I was supposed to put this nativity into the creche, but I was late in finishing it by 2 days. I am actually sad about that. I'm feeling wild. Let's pack up all the sculpting into a little package so we can get to the painting. How about a Christmas art montage? Off to the oven. And then you slap on a little paint and then it's ready for the reveal. At this point, I needed to figure out the paint scheme, and it was like 1 o'clock in the morning, and I just slapped my paintbrush into the most accessible paint color, and it turned out red.
This is a screwy part. I need to inset this.
I'm a paleontologist. Yes. I gotta put some holes in here for the lights to go through. And that's it. Who's ready to see sweet baby Jesus and his entourage? But first, subscribe. Okay, now you can see baby Jesus.